Hi friends, welcome to Fab Flavors with me Nobonita. I am back with another vintage recipe from the Mughal era. This recipe from the Awadhi cuisine is famous for moti, that is edible pearls. For better flavor, taste and smell, I have taken 1.5 cup Govindabhog rice. You can also use Basmati rice. Here I have rinsed the rice with normal water and strained it. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder to the strained rice for the yellow color. Mix them nicely with the help of a spoon and keep it aside for 30 minutes. After around half an hour, take 2 tablespoons ghee in a kadai at medium flame. To it, I am adding 2 bay leaves, 1 star anise, 4 whole green cardamom, 2 inches cinnamon stick, 8 cloves and 8 to 10 peppercorns. Slightly saute them. Next, I will add 1/4 teaspoon poppy seeds, which is the secret ingredient of this unique pulao recipe. Saute nicely until you get a nice aroma. At this point, add in some cashew nuts and roast until they turn golden. Grate half inch ginger as I have shown here. Add some raisins in it and mix. Finally, I am adding the Govindabhog rice over the roasted spices. Give them a nice mix. With the help of a grater, I am adding approx 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg powder for making it flavorful. Add salt as per your taste and mix. Since I have taken 1.5 cup of rice, I am adding 2 cup of water. This is because Govindabhog rice gets nicely cooked with a little less amount of water. Add 1/4 cup of sugar. Cover it with a lid and let the pulao get cooked for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, switch off the flame and open the lid. In off flame, spread 1 tablespoon saffron syrup over the pulao to enhance the flavor. To check whether the rice is properly cooked, press the rice with fingers. If the rice gets mashed effortlessly, the pulao is ready. Now, let's see how to make the moti or the pearls. I am getting 100 gram paneer. You can also use cottage cheese. To it, add a pinch of salt, a pinch of garam masala, a teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon rose water and 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg powder. These ingredients takes the recipe to the next level. Now mix them all like I have shown here, ensuring there are no lumps. Shahi Moti Pulao was originally made from the egg white, but my version of Moti Pulao is purely veg and can be made during any auspicious occasions. Divide the dough into small equal portions and shape them into round balls. Apply silver work over the paneer balls. Carefully coat the balls uniformly. The beautiful and eye-catching edible pearls are ready. Doesn't the tiny pearls look captivating? Oh yes! I am arranging this moti over the pulao one by one. Do try out this easy yet grand recipe at home and let me know how it turns out for you. You can also reach me out by commenting below on what types of recipe you want next time. Like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get our latest recipes. Till then, goodbye.